Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of GD&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the GD&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to GD&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NTTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. So we will discuss on the topics and passing score on Y14.5 M 1994 senior level examination. So if you are looking for the technologist level, please look into the playlist. I have already created a video on this. The senior level examination is a maximum of 6 hours in duration, consisting of 150 questions. The examination is structured as a closed book, multiple choice written examination. The senior level examination will emphasize knowledge, selection and application of dimensioning and tolerancing principles, concepts and practices. The topics and approximate distribution of questions will be as follows: 10% on the topics from the technologist level examination, 20% on datum selection, 40% on general tolerancing and related principles, tolerance calculation and appendices, 15% on the application of modifiers in feature control frame, 15% on composite position tolerancing. A candidate must achieve least an 80% grade overall and least 50% in each of the above categories. The body of knowledge corresponding to these topics is shown in Appendix B of ASME Y14.5.2 2017 standard. Hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.